YouTube family and friends. This is your girl, your favorite Egyptian, Miss Terra Nakia. Today's video is on arts and crafts, and the arts and crafts project is a mannequin body. Yes, a mannequin body. I have a 2-minute voiceover so you guys know how I made this mannequin body. I know you guys are going to enjoy this video, so here you go. These are the materials that I used. The only ones I did not use was the spray paint and the hot glue gun. You will need an old t-shirt just like this. Wrap your neck with saran wrap. Make sure there is no skin showing at all. Start taping yourself from the bottom up. Make a V across your chest like so. You will need some help with this project, clearly. And start wrapping your arms. As you see, cut your shirt from the bottom up. Make sure you get someone who doesn't cut your bra. Tape it back down the middle. Make sure it's secure. Then you start filling it up with cotton. The cotton I used, I got it from Walmart. I ended up using the whole bag of it. So you might too, depending on how big you are. Then you trace the bottom. You cut it out. You stick it in like so. You tape it on. You will need some help with this part so yours won't look bent up like mine's. And you do the same with the arms, like so. And the same with the neck, like so. Then you'll get the bottom part, you cut a small cross, not too big. You'll get a pole or you can use a stand just like mine's. You will stick it in there. And then there you go. Your mannequin body. Yes, a mannequin body. Thank you for watching. Wow. How amazing was that? Quick and easy. I know you guys like that one. I'll be doing another video covering up the tape with fabric so it could look way better. But we're going to save that video for another day. Till then, I need for you guys to like, comment, and subscribe and hit that notification button so you guys know when I'm updating another video. I'll be back shortly with more arts and crafts projects, but till then, see you later till we meet again.